excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you how you can make at least $100 by copying and pasting some video ads. Okay? Right. I'm going to walk you through the whole process so that it is crystal clear on your part. But before I give you the details, let me encourage you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Our first website, my friend, is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelance site where people are coming here to outsource services and also to sell their services, okay? Right? So it might be graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video, animation, music and audio, and all sorts of things, desktop applications, and so forth. All right, right. So what is happening right here, my friend, is that people come here looking for some services. They want some videos to be made. They are looking for someone who can make some video marketing ads, okay? So your service now, the way you're going to make the $100 I'm talking about is that you create a portfolio right here on this site. And then you start to sell services of making marketing videos, all right? Right, you might be saying, okay, I don't know how to make those videos. Don't worry about that because in a minute, I'm going to show you how you can use some done-for-you templates, right? There is a site with done-for-you templates which you just plug and play, okay? Right, before I show you the templates, let me just go with you right here on this website. You see where it says digital marketing right here, okay? You scroll down the drop-down menu, you come to video marketing, click that one, all right? And then you see where it says video ad campaigns, you click that one. These are the profiles of people who are already doing it, right? I'll create animated marketing video for business and sales. Exactly, that's what you want, that one, okay? That's what you'll be doing, right? And look at the amounts they're charging. That one is charging $28, that one $16, that one $60, this one $20, and this one is $36. I'll be a natural, authentic, and personal spokesperson. No, that's not what we want. We want video marketing, okay? Right. I'll create animated marketing video for business and sales. I'll set up an outstanding Google, YouTube ads video campaign, right? So we want the video marketing one, okay? Right, so like this one, I'll create animated marketing video for business and sales. All right, so I told you it's $100 by copying and pasting, right? So you find that there are other people who are selling their services for less than 100, right? Let them do that. As for you, you want to maximize the opportunity and the time, right? Your time is available. So, you know, people who are coming here, they've got the budget to pay you whatever you are charging. So it's you who can put the bar of whatever you want to get, right? So what you do is you come where it says budget, right here, budget, and you put $100. That's what you want, right? And then you filter it, right? You filter your search, right? You find out that the profiles that are appearing right here are charging more than $100, 145, 133, 133, 113, 105, 133, 121, right? You can see that the bar has been raised already, okay? So what you do is you don't know anything about the marketing videos and everything. So you click 2, 3, 4 of these and you hear what they're saying, you see what they're saying, you see their graphics, right? And then you just get inspired to go in the correct direction, to know what to do, to see what sort of graphics you have to put on there on your profile, right? So once you are signed up for free on Fiverr, then create your portfolio, and then your portfolio will be appearing right here among these, okay? You do it once and then you just wait for Fiverr to notify you that you've got a potential customer. All right. So once you get a customer, then you know what sort of customer it is. It might be a lawyer, it might be a doctor, it might be a carpenter, it might be an electrician, it might be a plumber, it might be a this or that, it might be a hairstylist, right? There are about 65 industries that you can market yourself in. You can comfortably say, yes, I can make marketing videos for up to 65 industries. Okay, this is leveraging the power of the internet to make money, my friend. So I'll now take you to the other site, the website, where there are some done for you templates, which you are going to use. Once you get your customer right here on Fiverr, then you go to FlixPress. FlixPress right here, right? I'm already logged in, right? So you see all the templates. If you click my orders right here, just a sideline. Are you familiar with that, my friend? Right. You are definitely familiar with that. So you know where I do my graphics, right? Okay, it's coming from right here. Right, that aside, let me now show you how you are going to make your ads. You are on FlixPress and you see where it says ads right here. Click ads. This one, the first one, if you click the first one, right? So these are templates, right? Look at that. Okay.
A good accountant.
And I kept searching and searching.
Ah, there are so many choices.
It's really
Okay.
hard to find one that has all the things on my list.
You see?
I finally did it.
Yes. Thank you.
If you were looking for one as well, look no further.
Here's a
Right. You see that ad, my friend? So you take the details from Fiverr and then you plug them into that template. So where they say your product and photo here and your company details and your website, all that. Now it will be the details of your customer, the details of your client on Fiverr, okay? Right? So there are about 65 industries: accountants, acting coach, bankruptcy lawyers, business consultant, car dealer, carpet cleaner, all that, IT consultant, lawyer, loan specialist, right? Piano teacher, travel agent, tutor, and everything and so forth, okay? Right, so this is what you're going to do, my friend. So also you need to have your account running on FlixPress, right? You register right here, and then you have access to these templates, and that's how you are going to make $100 copying and pasting ads. Okay, right, my friend, you might say this is too techy and too complicated. I know that, my friend, okay? But let me show you something that is possible. There are bigger things that are possible, my friend, okay? Look at this one. This is the compensation plan of a company I'm working with, right? So it's a digital marketing company. And we're talking about affiliate marketing, where you're just marketing other people's products and services. So when you come in as an affiliate on this, with this company, these are the possible commissions that you get once you bring in a customer, all right? So an Ultra Accelerator. Ultra Accelerator, it's one of the products. It gives you $3,000. That one, $999. That one, $1,000. That one, $1,000. That one, $1,000. Okay, right? So the good thing about this company is that they give you an advisor. They give you a dedicated advisor who is going to speak to you one-on-one, right? Is going to take you by hand and show you everything. It doesn't matter the level of your understanding. Even if you've got zero understanding in affiliate marketing, they can teach you and they get you into a program which is called the 15-day challenge, business builder challenge, right? So in the description below, I've got a link that can get you right here. Right in the description below this video, you see this one. It says, my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. It means that, you see, you can now be taught how to make money whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family and with your loved ones, right? So click that link. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments, and then we'll see each other in the next videos, either of the two. See you. Bye for now.